Hello guys, and welcome to AI plus more. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can embed your landing page or your website, your web page on WordPress. Your landing page or your website from Canva, that is. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Sorry about that. So what we need to do is just to have a WordPress domain. So as you can see here, this is an empty WordPress domain that I have. I just recently created it just for the sake of this video. As you can see, you still see the welcome to WordPress stuff over here. And on this other tab, I have opened this landing page that I have created. First of all, we go back here to Canva. We go to share. And then we find see all over here. And then we go and click embed over here. And then we just need to click on embed. And then just copy this HTML embed code over here. And then from here on WordPress, you just click on the plus button and then click on browse all, and then let's find this one, custom HTML. And then we just write the HTML or paste it like that. So that was it. You see that it's just text right now, right? But what you want it to look like, you want it to have something good there, right? It's it should be popping out on your website. For example, welcome to my website. And then what you just need to do is click here on preview instead of HTML, and then it should show this preview for this one as well, and then it should show this. Voila. Amazing, right? So if we go ahead and check it and preview in the new tab, you will see that it's still loading. But yeah, when it's finished loading, then it should look the way, or depending on your internet connection, it should look the way that it looked earlier. So it has the photo and actually what the website looks like and what the photo that you put there looks like, and that's it. That is how you can embed your website or anything at all from Canva to your WordPress website. So it's very easy. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.